Welcome all to Rahu Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain to you about local transport option to Colombo from Katunayaka International Airport. Most of people using taxi from airport to their destination because they have lack of knowledge about the topic what I am going to explain today. No worries, let's see. First of all, you have to come out from arrival zone, then you will see taxi parking area. That area you will face some little troubles with local taxi drivers because they need to catch you to travel with them. Don't worry. Walk little bit to left side, then you will find airport bus stop. It's very easy. If you can't find it, take help from some security guys or some staff in airport. Wait there. If you can't find any bus there, don't worry. Buses run in once 30 minutes. Okay? Maybe your bus on the way to bus stop. But accidentally, if you didn't find any bus from there, don't worry, you have another options also. This option also more cheaper than taxis. So from your bus stop, come out from airport through the gate, then your right side you will find taxi parking, but this is local taxi parking, tuk-tuk, three-wheeler parking. Okay, using that three-wheeler go to main bus stop in Katunayaka. Main bus stop in Katunayaka. That name is Awariyawaththa. If you can't pronounce this name, I will make this with spellings. Awariyawaththa. Discuss with them to go to Awariyawaththa main bus stop. From that Katunayaka Awariyawaththa main bus stop, you can find public transportation to anywhere. Through this video, I am explaining to you how to go to Colombo, capital of Sri Lanka. That Awariyawaththa bus stop have three options to Colombo. 1. Normal fare buses. 2. Air conditioned buses. Number 3. Air conditioned highway service to Colombo. My opinion is choose highway bus to Colombo. Don't worry, that stop will be help you a lot for your everything because they know properly who you are and what you need. If you choose highway service, travel time will be about 40 minutes. That can be changed according to traffic condition. Okay, these all buses travel charge you can pay when bus is moving. No need to prepaid for this service. If you have luggages, you have to pay even for your luggages. So I think you understood what I explained today. Katunayaka Airport to Colombo using local transportation, public transportation, using buses. If you have any doubt or any question, please make a comment. And for more traveling tips about Sri Lankan public transportation and local guide about Sri Lankan public transportation, subscribe my channel. And to understand what are the types of Sri Lankan public transportation, type of buses, fare table, everything, I already made another video. I will put that video link in description, and If you need, you can visit my channel and watch those videos also. Okay, wish you a happy tour in Sri Lanka. If you have any doubt, I am here to help you. Until next video, bye bye.